Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wooden bunny as well as a decor piece from Dollar Tree. I paint the bunny on the front and sides with linen color chalk paint by Folkart. I also paint this piece on the back and sides with 2 coats of the same paint. In the front, I just did 1 quick coat. It'll just help brighten up the fabric that I'm attaching to the front. Once that's dry, I take this fabric, which is also from Dollar Tree, and I cut a piece that's a little bit larger than the little wooden piece I have here. I add a generous layer of Mod Podge to the front of that. Once I have the Mod Podge on there, I place down the fabric and smooth it out with my hands and then dry that with my heating tool. Once that's completely dry, I do another layer of Mod Podge on top of the fabric. Again, drying that completely. To remove the excess fabric, I go around the edge with my X-Acto knife, removing all of that. Next, I am using a fan brush and plaster chalk paint by Waverly and just dry brushing the paint along the front edge of the bunny. Next, I hot glue the bunny to the fabric, just eyeballing it to get it centered. I then am just cutting some small pieces of greenery, and I also have this flower which I got from Hobby Lobby. I hot glue the greenery, and then I hot glue the flower on top of that. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.